Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over some gourmet coffee syrups that's recommended for this fall 2021 going into winter. So I just wanted to bring these to you because they're new, and if you can find them, they're good to try if you want to put them in your coffee or make any type of other recipes that we've brought on the channel. So first, I have made another video that you can check out on the channel that we're using the pumpkin caramel and of course the traditional fall pumpkin spice, and along with the pumpkin cheesecake and the mocha. These are some of the recommended right now, and I wanted to show you this new one that we picked up, and we're definitely going to be showing another recipe on the channel soon. So for this one, it's the winter trio stored skinny syrups. These are good because they're 0 calories, 0 sugar, and 0 carbs, and they still have a good taste to them. So here's the front of the box, here's the side, and here's the back. As you can see, the nutrition facts let you know on each of them what's in there, serving size, and they're all pretty much the same because this is a 3-pack. There's the UPC, and there's the website, skinnymixes.com. And like I said, with these skinny syrups, winter trio, you can add a sweet holiday treat to your favorite beverages or food without guilt. So they show you can make lattes, cappuccinos, iced coffee, or even add it to hot coffee. So just wanted to show you these. I'm gonna open the box up real quick so you can see they're pretty much the same size as these other ones. Okay, so here's the first one, which is cinnamon vanilla. Right there, pretty much show you. The next flavor is a salted caramel swirl, which is a little different from the salted caramel. That's why I tried this, just to kind of compare and see, which I will be uploading a video soon on the channel with some of these recipes, so be on the lookout. And last and finally in the box is a white chocolate mocha. And you know, this is a popular brand at your favorite coffee shops, so if you can make this at home and also grab the creamer, this is supposed to be really good. So just wanted to point these out to you, some of the recommended gourmet coffee syrups that's new, that's just hard to find. So I'll put some links in the description if you want to check it out. Please do so. Also like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.